Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Umkhokha the Curse October teaser. Based on the teaser, your girl might just be back because it seems like there will be justice for Uzamcolo. But listen for yourself and don't hear it from me alone. So Umkhokha the Curse Season 2 October teaser 2024 goes like this. Tuesday the 1st of October, friendship. One of them Mthembu brothers feel shortchanged when the fault arrives. Nokubonga becomes a casualty. Ndlovu continues to whisper into Khulegani's ear to drive him even further away from his family. Wednesday the 2nd of October, a failed miracle. Khulegani's church is on the rise, but he gets the biggest disappointment in public. Siphamandla continues declining. Mazungu hits a brick wall with Manzimande. Thursday the 3rd of October, I spilled innocent blood. Khulekani prays over and over for the deaf man to heal, while Siphamandla learns that Nokubonga may not be happy with the Mthembus. Ngema has found his Makoti. Khulekani's denial, that's on the 4th of October. Khulekani arrives at church in style. Siphamandla refuses to be disheartened by his dwindling congregation. Sfotia calls Ndlovu out about his influence on Khulekani. Monday the 7th of October, when the cookie crumbles, Khulekani makes headlines, sending his life into a tailspin. The Mthembus are overwhelmed by the multiple issues coming their way. Nokubonga is stuck between a rock and a hard place. Tuesday the 8th of October, will the real Zamcolo please stand up? Khulekani finally rises from the dumps and is ready to take on the world, but not before he tells his family who the real Zamcolo is. The two sisters mend broken fences. Wednesday the 9th of October, the mountain beckons. Khulekani decides to reclaim his power. Maphalala believes the Mthembus should take Nokubonga back, but Siphamandla tells him the cruel truth. Thursday the 10th of October, ascending Nhlalakahle. Ndlovu pumps up the congregation and makes excuses for Khulekani's loss of power. Manzimande is left worried about Sfotia utterance about Khulekani. Mabusi wants to visit Nokubonga but is worried she'll be rejected. Friday the 11th of October, behold, the older will serve the younger. Siphamandla and Manzimande try to stop Khulekani from climbing the mountain. Khulekani gets overwhelming support to climb, and Sfotia needs to convince council to accept him back. Monday the 14th of October, what goes up? Mthembu has a disturbing message from Siphamandla. Mazungu tries to whisper poison to Nokubonga. Ndlovu eagerly awaits his Khululi's return. Tuesday the 15th of October. The mountain is forgiving. No, it's not. Amajudia gather to welcome the Mkhululi with a song of praise. Siphamandla delivers devastating news. Wednesday the 16th of October. Booyah. Siphamandla calls family meeting and urges them to confront a painful reality. Manzimande makes painful accusations. Gabisile makes a shocking decision regarding her matric dance. Thursday the 17th of October. Your will. Siphamandla makes peace with Mthembu's decision. Ndlovu holds onto faith, right? Nobuntu has a date suggestion for Gabisile. Okay, I wonder who would it be. Friday the 18th of October. Is he alive? Siphamandla resorts to extreme measures when Ndlovu defies him. Ndlovu continues to be a thorn in the flesh for the Mthembus. Nobuntu refuses to allow Gabisile to give up on the matric dance. Monday the 21st of October. Gloves are off. A distraught woman refuses to believe and accept her husband's fate. Ndlovu tries to summon the evil inside of Mamzob. Yo, will she go out? But okay, let's continue. Tuesday, the 22nd of October. When reality strikes, Ndlovu reaches out to his daughter and manages to knock some. Oh, Mdluli rather. Mdluli reaches out to his daughter and manages to knock some sense into her. Gabisile sings Difa's praises after he impacts some words of wisdom. Ndlovu blames himself for the curse. Wednesday, the 23rd of October. Gone forever. Nomkhosi fights tooth and nail for the search to happen, but something disturbing is found. Mazungu sees dollar signs. Pressure mounts on Gabisile. Thursday, the 24th of October. Maimkhululi is alive. Spamandla makes peace with his brother's demise, but Ndlovu has a plan. Manzimande turns on Mthembu. Difa tells Mamzobe, I told you so. Friday, the 25th of October. Nomkhosi's choice. Nomkhosi does everything in her power to save Khulekani's church. Makhoza expresses worry to Kamadondo about Ndlovu. Nobuntu receives unexpected good news. Monday, the 28th of October. Honor Mlu's will. While a mother is expressing her needs to mourn for her child, a wife insists her husband is still alive. Mazungu fights Nokubonga's battle and Nobuntu chooses her path in life. Tuesday, the 29th of October. P.S. Next time. While Mazungu solidifies her daughter's stay at home by making sure the Mthembus continue their providence for her, the Gumetes find out that once again their daughter has taken another wrong turn. And we know Guti the daughter Obani, Nobuntu Edu. Wednesday, the 30th of October. Return the Ark. Mamzobe and Difa are devastated after finding a goodbye letter. Maphalala and Nokubonga are embarrassed after Mazungu demands a stake from them Mthembus. Thursday, the 31st of October. The new battlefield for worship. Ndlovu wants the throne dark or blue, but placed the smallest card up his sleeve, one that nobody saw coming. Spa welcomes a long-lost member, and Gabi and Lwazi are skating on thin ice. This is what will be happening on Umkhokha the Curse in October. And I think Uguti, I am happy. Uguti, no, Uzamkolo Wethu is not suffering forever. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.